Hey, this is Miss Hina Imran and welcome to my channel Learn and Explore 360. Hope you're doing okay. Today we are going to talk about contractions. What are contractions? Contractions are a shortened form of two words. How do you shorten two words and make it into one word? To explain it to children, it's a little bit tough, and I'm going to tell you to make a story so that the children can actually pay attention and have fun also. So this is Captain Apostrophe, and Captain's Apostrophe's job is to shorten a word and make one letter go magically sleeping. Let's see how Captain Apostrophe works. So now we have two words, she is. Now we're going to make it short by adding Captain Apostrophe. So she is going to shout, Captain Apostrophe, we need your help. Captain Apostrophe will come, da da da, I am here to help you. What do you need? I want to shorten the word, she is says. So Captain Apostrophe says, all right, I will come in place of the second word's first letter. So Captain Apostrophe makes the first letter I goes sleeping, da da da, and the is comes close. So now the word is she's. Now he is going to call Captain Apostrophe to make the two words shorten. He is. Da da da. Hello, he is. Can I make you short? Oh yes, we need to be short. So now Captain Apostrophe will make the I go sleeping, and it will come in place of I, and the S will come close. So now it's a short word. He's. What is this word? That is. That is. These are two words, and now we need to make it short. So that is going to call for Captain Apostrophe. Captain Apostrophe. Da da. Hello, that. How are you? Oh, I'm fine, says that. I want to be a short word. So what can I do? Don't worry, I will take place of the second word. So now the first word remains same, and Captain Apostrophe comes in place of I go sleeping, and the S comes close. So now the word is that's. That is become that's. Now comes here is. It is. We're going to make it short now. And so who do we call? Captain Apostrophe. Ta-da! All right. The first one remains same, but I will change the second word, I, and I will go sleeping, and S will come over here. Here's. It is. What's the job of the Captain Apostrophe? Da-da-da. The first one remains same, and I will take the place of I, and S will come close. Is. All right. What is? Captain Apostrophe. The first one remains same, and I will go sleeping, and S will come. What's? Here's another way to do contractions. I have made this template where I've written two words like this. She is, he is, that is, and over here I've just put the S over here. So the child can just close it, and it becomes a shortened word, she's. Over here you close it, and it becomes he's. That is, that's. is not, isn't, has not, hasn't, did not, didn't, I will, I'll, she will, she'll, and so on. If you need the template, it's under the description. You can just click on it and get the template all ready just to print out. All right, another template that I have made is two words that are like in a cone, and they have the options that are contracted words, and the child only has to match it. Like does not make doesn't, had not makes hand, could not couldn't, I would, I'd, I am, I'm, you have, he will, he'll, who is, whose, you are, that is, that's. So they can, keep on mix and match, and have fun also while learning. The template is also in the description box. You can just click it and download it for free.